Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're managing a few leads or a long list, staying on top of tasks and follow-ups is key. Today, I'll show you how to manage tasks and follow-ups for individual leads in GoHighLevel so you can stay organized. Let's dive in. First, go to the Opportunities tab and select the lead you want to manage. In the Tasks section, click Add Task. Here, enters a task title, add a description, set a due date, and assign it to yourself or a team member. Make sure it's connected to the right follow-up, call, or meeting. Next, let's automate follow-ups to save time. Head to the Automation section, create a new workflow, and set a trigger. For example, when a lead moves to a new stage, you can automatically send an email or SMS follow-up. To keep everything in sync, integrate your tasks with Google or Outlook Calendar. Go to the Settings tab, set up the integration, and you'll have all your tasks and follow-ups in one place. And that's it! With GoHighLevel's task and follow-up features, staying organized has never been easier. Want to streamline your workflow and boost lead management? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial, and don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth start. Links are in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up for more GoHighLevel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.